Okay, so in this video, we're going to go down to the agency section. I'm just going to quickly run through how this agency section works. It's fairly straightforward. It's just a simple 1, 2, 3 process, although when you first log in, it may be a little bit confusing as to how to use this. So first of all, this agency members section, this is where you'll be adding your team members. So depending on what level of access you've got, you could add up to five members or 10 members. Okay, and it's as simple as clicking on Manage Members, and then you just enter their name and email address. So they'll receive an email, and they'll log in, and they'll click on the link in the email, and then they'll just connect their accounts, and then they'll become your team member. So you can have a number of different team members. So if you're creating an agency, you might want to be sort of outsourcing, maybe outsourcing to possibly like the Philippines, where you can get people to work for you at a very affordable rate, just a few dollars an hour, and you can start building your own team. Okay, so these people are going to be doing all the work for you so that you can then oversee the agency and assign them tasks to manage multiple different clients' accounts. Okay, so talking of clients, this is where you come here. So this middle section. So it's one, add your team members. You might want to start initially, you might just add a friend or family member. But like I say, as you grow your agency, then you'll be taking on team members to manage your clients' accounts. So in regards to clients, so if you've just landed a client or you've got someone that's interested in you running their social media accounts, their pages, their groups for them, then you can add the clients here. So again, it's just a simple case of clicking on the Manage Clients, and you can see here I've got some selected. You can click Add More. Okay, so that's where you'd enter just the client name and the client email, and then they would receive a email where they would connect their social media accounts. Once they've connected their social media accounts, then you can manage them within Onesoci Agency. So if I go to this third section now, so it's add team members, add clients. You don't have to do it in this order, but that's generally a very easy way to remember it. And then this section here is agency accounts. So what you would do, you can see this is 5 at the moment. So if I click on this and I go here, I'm going to click on this client. Okay, now you can see that's changed to 4. So now I can click on this, and I've got these 2 people are my team members. So these 2 people are what I added to my team. I'm going to select Amy. So I'm going to select that team member to manage this person's page. Okay, so Hawkeye Aerial Media. So now Amy will be managing that client. Okay, so that client being Daryl, and she'll be managing Hawkeye Aerial Media and posting for that person on that page. So depending on who the client is, so if we go here, so this is the client we just chose, Daryl. Now I'm going to choose Gemma. And if we now go to manage accounts, you can see there's 10 pages. Okay, so Gemma's actually my niece, so she asked if I could do this for her. So I'm going to pick on or choose Nick now. So I want Nick to manage Gemma's Twitter account, Pinterest account, LinkedIn account, and this Money Without Leaving the House Facebook page. Okay, and you can see you can choose groups as well. And then I'd click Save, and then Nick would be managing those accounts and pages for that person. So I hope that's helped. Just think of it as a 1, 2, 3 process. You're adding your team members, you're adding your clients, and then you come in here to manage those clients' accounts.